it's Glenda again. Today we're going to do 5 exercises on the rollers, which should be very interesting for you to do, especially if you've been sitting for a long time. So let's start. You're going to sit on the end of your roller and lie back and make sure your head is supported on the roller, and just take a deep breath in. I like to make sure that I've got a long feeling on my spine, and you can tilt your pelvis a little bit just to adjust it so that it feels comfortable for you. I'm just going to start just opening the chest and just stretch out. You can do a lot of these. I'm just demonstrating. You can do as many as you like, and just working, getting the cardio up a bit, and then bring it out to the side and just open the chest and stretch into it. Okay, just feel what's happening. If you find that it's tight here, you could put a pillow or something behind your head. Right, so now we're going to roll off it and take your roller and just in the midsection of the back. All right, and there we are. This is our starting position, and this is exercise number 2. So we're going to just roll up and down. This is great to prevent us from getting that Dodger's hump, and just also to get the circulation into the muscles in the upper back. So really good. And then you can tilt over to the side and try and get underneath the armpits. Really, also the lymph nodes are there, so it might be a little bit tender, but just try and do your best to work through it. And if you can stretch all the way over and just open that spine. It will thank you for it. It gets really a nice stretch, which we don't often give it. Okay, so sitting down, now we're going to sit on the roller. There we are. Your hands are here. This I like because you're getting a lot of upper body work as well. So now you're just rolling into the glutes, but we also are going to lift the legs. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But of course you want to, because you really want to feel the benefit of this. Now we're going deep into the glutes, and we're going to roll out through that. Okay, again, you do as many as you feel comfortable. So just rolling across, and then placing the legs down. Now we're going to go into the hamstrings. Okay, so just massage out there. These muscles get quite tired and very tight with most people, so this is great. If you're not feeling anything in particular, you can cross your legs, and then that doubles up on that. Again, taking the feet out will give you on the outside of the legs, all rolling in, and you've got another muscle group. As I say, you're working arms, working the chest, and enjoying it, I hope. Right, now we're going to go into the calf, which as you can see, I might be cheating a bit. The exercises that you will do will be either like that, or you can come up and do it this way. Okay, again, you'll be using your upper body, so that's good. Okay, now the last exercise is one which I've never worked out how to get on it elegantly. So, do whatever you can. We're going to sit on it somehow, and then you're going to lie down and get this underneath the bottom. Right. This is hip flexor stretch. So, once you're in this position, just relax, feel what's happening here. Again, if you sit in a long time, these muscles get shortened and tightened. Tight? Anyway, you know what I mean. So, you can work on this, and it's a great way just to chill out at the end of your day. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon.